Hi, my name is Dr. Sameer Gupta. I'm an interventional cardiologist and I'm a director of the cardiac cath lab for the Metro Group of Hospitals. He's a 41-year-old male and he was having some chest discomfort and then he went to another hospital and he was noted that he was having a massive heart attack. So did the angiogram over there and they found that he has severe, very tight blockage. And when the doctor at the other institution reviewed it, he felt that the patient is best suited for bypass surgery. So the patient came to us for a second opinion. We had a look at the angiogram, we had a look at everything else that was going on with him, and we felt fairly confident that, given the complexity of the disease, it's a fairly complex disease, but we should be able to offer him a minimally invasive or percutaneous option of angioplasty. And we actually ended up doing the entire procedure with the hand, right from the wrist instead of the groin. The traditional way of angiography is going through the groin in your leg, but now we at the hospital do a lot of angiographies and angioplasties from the wrist. It's a lot more comfortable for the patient and also safer. So we actually studied everything. We talked to the patient and the family, and we decided to do the procedure. And the procedure went off very well, and the patient was discharged home soon after. All we needed was one stent, and the patient did really well. And we prevented a cardiac bypass surgery in him of sorts. The patient had a heart attack, and the heart attack is basically because a blood clot is formed in the arteries of your heart, and the blood flow stops, and then the person ends up having a heart attack. There are many reasons for this, why people have heart attacks. Some risk factors that people have: diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol, family history, smoking. There are some of the common risk factors that people have that increases the risk of having a heart attack. But also another thing which is very underappreciated but very prevalent in our times right now is stress. Stress has a multitude of effects on the entire body, including increasing the risk of heart attacks. So it's very important we try and mitigate some of these risk factors by proper diet, exercise, medications, and also, once again, underappreciated but very important, like meditation. These kind of things help control the stress level in your body, reduce your risk of heart disease and even heart attacks. And actually, they make you very healthy.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम एम.के. वर्मा है और मेरी उम्र 42 साल है। फरवरी में चलते हुए मुझे अचानक से यहाँ से लेकर के फ्रंटल टीथ में एक सिंटिलेटिंग सेंसेशन हुआ। ऐसा लगता था जैसे किसी ने मेंथल खा रखी हो, और जिसकी वजह से पूरा का पूरा गला ठंडा हो गया। ये प्रॉब्लम मेरे सामने 2-3 बार आई एक हफ्ते के अंदर, और जब मैं रात को रेस्ट कर रहा था तो अचानक से एक डिस्कम्फर्ट बहुत छोटे से टाइम के लिए हुआ, जिसके बाद मैं मेट्रो हॉस्पिटल में अपने आप को दिखाया, और यहाँ पर मेरा ईसीजी बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब था। उसके बाद मुझे एडवाइस करा गया एडमिट होने के लिए, और मेरी एंजियोग्राफी में ये पाया गया कि मेरी लेट 99% ब्लॉक है। उसके बाद में मेरे मुलाकात जब डॉक्टर साहब से हुई, तो डॉक्टर साहब के जो कॉन्फिडेंस है उनकी वजह से जो मेरे को मोरल बूस्ट मिला, इट वाज फैंटास्टिक। और 15 या 20 मिनट का जो टाइम प्रोसेस था उसमें उन्होंने मुझे उस डेंजर से शायद हमेशा के लिए बाहर निकाल दिया। जबकि मुझे ये एडवाइस किया गया था कि मेरे को बाईपास करवाने की जरूरत है। आई विश कि कॉन्फिडेंस जो डॉक्टर साहब ने मुझे दिया, उनकी एक्सपर्टीज की वजह से जो मुझे मिला, ये सिर्फ उसी वजह से पॉसिबल है कि ही हैज अ वेरी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम विद देयर एक्सपर्टीज दैट दे हैव स्टडीड फॉर देयर फॉलोअर्स। एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल कि मैं एक ऐसे डॉक्टर साहब के सुपरविजन में अपना मेडिकेशन ले रहा हूँ।
It's very important that you should get yourselves checked every now and then for risk factors. If you have blood pressure, take blood pressure medicines or do diet and exercise and try and control that. Same thing goes for diabetes. It's very important that you keep yourself healthy. Health is not just numbers, but it's a state of life. It's a state of living. It's a lifestyle. So it's very important you adopt a healthy lifestyle. I know you're probably busy in your corporate jobs or your day-to-day work, but that does not mean you don't have time to exercise and keep yourself healthy and eat good food and make the right choices. In today's day and age, everybody is so stressed and running around, being pulled in different directions, so many places to go, people to meet. In the world of COVID, you're home, but you're in between Zoom calls and other teleconferences and working from home. So it's an extremely stressful environment. And your heart is beating, धड़कन आपकी है. But it's important कि देखभाल हमारी हो. We at the hospital are all super specialists. We are ready to take care of people. We are ready to take care of you in your time of need. We have all the new facilities, all the cutting edge options in medicine is what we have at the hospital. We've pioneered many procedures, even in today's day and age. It's angiography, angioplasty, which is obviously a big part of what we do, but we also do a lot of very specialized procedures like valve replacements without surgery, a procedure called TAVI. If you have blockages in the arteries of your leg, we can take care of that too. When you have gangrene and the legs become black or your wound is not healing. So आप डरिए मत, धड़कन आपकी और देखभाल हमारी.